In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Interactive Broker's Earnings Calendar. If you like to plan your trades around earnings, dividends, or other corporate events, this tool gives you a clear snapshot of what's coming up and when, so you can make timely, informed decisions. Start by opening the calendar from within your platform. Click New Window on the top bar to bring up the menu of tools you can launch. From there, go to Calendar. Then choose Event Calendar. This opens the calendar widget, which lays out upcoming company events by date. You'll notice that dates with scheduled items are usually bolded, making it easy to spot busy days at a glance. Once the calendar is open, you can quickly narrow the view to exactly what matters to you. If you want to focus on one company, use the Filter by Ticker option. Type the stock symbol, or select it from the list to see only that company's earnings and related events. If the company trades on multiple exchanges, make sure you're using the correct symbol for the listing you follow, so the results match your watch list and charts. Another powerful control is Only Show My Companies. Turn this on to see earnings for the tickers that already matter to you, those in your portfolio, your watch lists, competitor lists, or recently traded symbols. This trims the noise and highlights just the names you actively track, which is especially useful during peak earnings seasons. You can also refine what types of events appear. Use the filter types to display only earnings or layer in other items like dividends, splits, and conferences. For example, keeping dividends visible helps you anticipate X dates that can affect price action and yield, while splits can signal changes in share count that may influence liquidity. Conferences and similar events can be helpful if you follow guidance updates and management commentary. To inspect a specific day, simply select a date on the calendar. The view updates to show the events scheduled for that day so you can see who is reporting and when. Bolded dates are a quick visual cue that something is happening, and clicking into them brings those details front and center. That's the core workflow. Open the event calendar. Filter by ticker or your own companies. Adjust the event types you want to track, and click a date to review what's on deck. If you don't see what you expect, check your filters. They may be set narrowly. With these simple controls, the Interactive Broker's Earnings Calendar becomes a reliable hub for timing your research and planning your trades.